Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? You're not alone. We've all been there. But here's the real question. How many people, just like you and me, have decided to take control and actually do something about it? Specifically, how many people are using YNAB, or you need a budget, to get their finances in order? It's a question that pops up a lot. We see the glowing reviews, the passionate communities, the seemingly endless success stories. But behind all that buzz, what's the actual number? How many folks have jumped on the YNAB train? Now, YNAB, unlike some other financial apps, isn't about flashy charts or complex investment strategies. It's about a simple, powerful concept, giving every dollar a job. It's about budgeting, about understanding where your money is going, and about building a sustainable financial future. So, naturally, we're curious. How many people are finding this approach effective? Unfortunately, YNAB doesn't publicly release precise, up-to-the-minute user numbers. This is a common practice for many private companies. They might share general growth trends or milestones, but the exact figure is usually kept under wraps. And honestly, that's understandable. However, we can piece together some clues. We know YNAB has been around for a while, building a loyal following over the years. We can also look at their community forums, their social media presence, and the sheer volume of online discussions surrounding the software. These all point to a substantial and engaged user base. What we can say with certainty is that YNAB has seen significant growth, particularly in recent years. The increasing awareness of financial literacy and the growing desire for better budgeting tools have certainly played a role. The pandemic, with its financial uncertainties, likely drove even more people to seek out solutions like YNAB. Instead of focusing on a specific number, let's consider what really matters, the impact. The countless testimonials, the stories of people paying off debt, building emergency funds, and achieving their financial goals, these are the true measures of YNAB's success. The community is vibrant. People share tips, offer support, and celebrate each other's victories. This active engagement speaks volumes about the value users find in the platform. The fact that many users are long-term subscribers, sticking with YNAB for years, is another strong indicator of its effectiveness. So, while we may not have the exact number of users, we can confidently say that YNAB has a significant and growing community of people who are taking control of their finances. And that, in itself, is a powerful statement. It's not just about the software, it's about the methodology. The philosophy of giving every dollar a job resonates with people from all walks of life. It's a simple, yet profound, shift in mindset that can lead to lasting financial change. Ultimately, whether the user base is in the hundreds of thousands or the millions, the focus should remain on the individual success stories. Each person who finds financial peace of mind through YNAB contributes to a larger movement of financial empowerment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.